Unit 4, Lesson 8, Practice Problems number 1. For each situation, complete the tape diagram to represent and answer the question. Mai has picked 1 cup of strawberries for a cake, which is enough for 3/4 of the cake. How many cups does she need for the whole cake? So, 1 cup is 3/4 of the whole cake. That means this whole thing is the whole cake. Whole cake. And 1 cup is 3/4 of the cake. So if we're doing some multiplication equations, 3/4 of how much equals 1 cup. We don't know how much the cake is, but we know that 3/4 of it is 1. That means we're doing 1 cup divided by 3/4 equals how much of the cake. So if we have 1 cup is 3/4, then we can look at how much is this? This is 1 cup. It's split up into 3 equal sized pieces. So that means inside each one of these is 1/3 of a cup. 1/3 of a cup, 1/3 of a cup, 1/3 of a cup. That means this is also 1/3 of a cup. We're wondering how many cups are in the whole cake. The whole cake is all 4 of these pieces. Each piece is 1/3. So I see 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3. 4/3 or 1 and 1/3 cups. All right, B says Priya has picked 1.5 cups of raspberry, which is enough for 3/4 of a cake. 1.5 cups of raspberries is 3/4. We can see that this is 3/4. And we need 4/4 for the whole cake. So for our equations, 3/4 of how much is 1.5, or 1.5 divided by 3/4 equals how much? 3/4 of how much, this will be the whole cake. 3/4 of how much is 1 and 1/2. So just like the other one, I see 1.5 and I see 1.5 split up into 3 equal pieces. So I know that 1 and 1/2 is the same thing as 3 halves. So if I split 3 halves into 3 pieces, each piece is going to be a half. 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. This is the same size rectangle, so it's also a half. So our whole cake is this, and we get 4 halves. 4 halves, or no, 2 cups.